In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting without downloading the application onto your device. This can be incredibly useful if you're running low on storage space, or if you need to access Zoom from a shared or public computer. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoom website. Open your web browser and navigate to Zoom's official site. You can do this by entering app.zoom.ts into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access all of Zoom's features directly from your web browser. Next, look for the Join button. This is typically located in the upper section of the homepage. Click on this button, which will take you to a page where you can input your meeting details. At this point, you'll need to have your meeting link on hand. You might have received this link in an email from the meeting host or found it on a calendar invite. Go ahead and copy the meeting link from your email or invite, and then return to the browser. You'll see a field asking for your meeting ID or personal link name. Paste the meeting link that you've copied into this field. Once you've pasted the link, look for another Join button, usually located directly beneath the field where you just pasted your link. Clicking this button will initiate the process of entering the meeting. The next screen might prompt you to confirm some details or agree to any necessary permissions, but pay close attention here. You'll often see an option that says Join from your browser. This link may appear as a small text under a larger prompt encouraging you to download the Zoom application. Instead, click on Join from your browser. This will allow you to join the meeting using just your browser without the need to download or install anything extra. And that's it. You're now joining your Zoom meeting directly from your web browser. It's as simple as that. Before you start, ensure your microphone and camera are working if you'll be using them, as this is vital for video calls. Either adjust these settings beforehand or use Zoom's test function to make sure everything is set up correctly. This way of accessing Zoom can save time and hard drive space, making it a convenient alternative for those who don't wish to download the app. Feel free to bookmark the Zoom URL or save your meeting links in a neat folder for quick access in future instances. Following these steps will ensure you join your meetings promptly while staying within the browser. Happy Zooming, and see you in the next video.